New Year's is the time for elegant dinner parties, and nothing says elegance more than the classic Vichyssoise. That's a potato and leek soup that is served either hot or classically cold. So start by sautéing some white part of the leek and a small onion in a couple of tablespoons of butter. Then add in 1.5 cups of sliced potatoes, along with 2 cups of chicken broth and some salt. And then increase the heat and bring it to a boil, then reduce it to a simmer, and then let it cook for 30 minutes to 35 minutes covered. And then when it's finished cooking, take it off the heat. Now I'm pureeing my mixture with a stick blender, but if you don't have one, you can use a food processor or a blender. And once it's pureed, then you can refrigerate it and complete the soup later. When you're ready to serve the soup, add 1.5 cups of milk and 1 cup of cream. And if you're planning on serving this soup hot, then warm it gently over medium heat. Whether you're serving it hot or cold, go ahead and ladle it into soup bowls, just like that, and then serve it with some fresh snipped chives. Very elegant, and this recipe is very available if you'll write to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. From every one of us here at the Kitchen Guy Kitchen, we wish you a healthy, happy, and prosperous New Year.